Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Horror Simon from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side we're just going to start by drawing in a nice big arch line. And then we're going to leave a gap in the middle, replicating that, bringing that down on the right. For the nostrils, for the nose, coming down in the middle, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out on both sides, drawing those at the same size. Let's draw in our mouth now. So in the center we're going to curve this line down, back up on the right. On the left hand side, starting back on our line here, we're just going to continue to curve this line out towards the side. Now from here, we're going to start in the corner, curving this line down on a diagonal, bringing that line in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move down on the right. So we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then back in, blending that together. Moving in towards the bottom now for the chin, we're going to close this off, curving this line up. Now we're going to come in and draw in some teeth. So in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. On the top, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. As we move up on a diagonal, we're going to curve these lines back out again. Moving up again, we're going to curve this line across. And then one last time, just making this smaller as we come out. Now from each point, we're just going to bring a straight line that comes down, and we're just going to end these all at the same height. We're going to make these smaller as we come in towards the top, curving this up. And then we'll do the same thing as we come over on the left. Closing off the top, we're going to curve these lines out. Now from the center, we're just going to close this off with a curved line on the bottom. So we're just going to connect each line as we come over, closing off the teeth. Now as we come down on the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to draw a straight line in the middle. On the right, we're going to curve this line out on both sides as well as on the left. On the top, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to move up this time, curving this line across. And then we'll do the same thing, just making that smaller one last time. And then now from each point, we're just going to bring this straight line down towards the bottom of our mouth. Now let's focus on closing off the rest of the head. So as we come up towards the top, for the head, we're going to bring our diagonal line out and then back down. From the center now, we're going to bring this line back out again and then in. Closing off the side of the head, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move across on the right, bringing this all the way around and then back in on the side. On the side of the head now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on the top. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line back in on the side. Now let's draw in the ears on the top. So we're going to draw in a small circle on the right. And then we're going to move over on the left, lining that up at the same height and replicate that. Now as we come over on the inside, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom. And then moving across again, let's replicate that one more time. Now for the body, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines on both sides, coming out, ending those at the same height. And then we're just going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw Horror Simon from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.